Hey Box fans, we're here in New York City today for a special episode, and we're here for one thing: the boxes. There are many fun boxes to find in New York, if you know where to look. Oh, here's one. I wanted to visit Coney Island on my New York trip and see what sort of boxes could be found there. These are the best boxes I could find at Coney Island. They're okay. Here we are at Times Square. There's a lot of people at Times Square, but not as many boxes as you might think. But if you look carefully, there are a few boxes you can find. Here's a few boxes. Pizza box. Once you start looking for boxes, you'll see them everywhere. Here's some boxes on the back of the truck. The UPS store. Sometimes boxes can be hiding in unlikely spots. Here's a lot of boxes, but they're mostly smashed. Oh, here's a good one. Sometimes you'll find boxes in New York that have some junk inside, but thankfully this one, it was not too easy to take the stuff out. Whoops. There we go. Okay, what do we got? Oh, nice. This is a U-line box. Pretty sturdy. In really good shape. This is a great example of a box find. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. On my New York trip, I also visited Grand Central Station, the Empire State Building, Central Park, all in all, I have to say that New York is a good place for boxes. Thanks for watching!